everyone, today we are going to do an unboxing and a try-on haul of my new Firmoo prescription glasses. To cut it a little bit short, I got this style AC4900, and I just want to tell you, ordering this was so easy. I literally tried this on virtually first before it got to my door because the website allows you to upload your picture and you can try on the different styles over there. So I think this fits me perfectly. Anyway, let's go. First impressions, I love the box that Firmoo has presented them with. It's not too wasteful because I have received other glasses before. I'm not going to mention them, but most of them comes in like grandeur PR boxes with a lot of waste. Firmoo was just straightforward. The glasses, there it is. Another thing that's so interesting is they have this pouch. So this is where the glasses came from. Now I was looking for the cloth that cleans it. It is the cloth that cleans it. You have the actual pouch that houses the glasses and it's a cleanup cloth. I've never seen that before. Now let's talk about the virtual try-on process on the website. This, I think, is one of the coolest feature of Firmoo's website is their virtual try-on tool. Look, I uploaded my picture and I was able to see all kinds of style and what would fit me best. And I have a round face shape, so there really is some limitations to what my face can look good in. But I found this AC4900 frame looks best on me. And even before I clicked add to cart, if you have your prescription ready from a doctor, and you can go just get this from any eye doctor, just ask for the prescription and you can upload that as well for them. Again, you can just test it out on your face shape before even ordering, which I think is really cool because that's what we do when we are on the actual optometrists. We like look at their glasses and see which one fits. This one, you can do a variety without having the hassle of taking it on, taking it off, blah, 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 blah. I think this works best for my face shape. It is very, very light. And the fit, this is perfect. If you can see, this is my $200 glasses. I'm not going to tell you where I got it from, but when I shake my head, it just does not fit. And it's so hard. I have had this adjusted for like 3 times now and it's still not fitting nicely. But look at my Firmoo glasses. Shaking my head again, it does not come off. It fits perfectly in my head. They feel super comfortable. They're not like pinching the side of my head or like giving me a headache or anything. I have been wearing this for a few hours now and I feel like this is going to be my daily wear and I'm going to be putting away my $200 glasses. My Firmoo glasses are less than $30. You'll save so much money on prescription glasses. Just get these and then you can get a variety of styles for a fraction of the cost. Now let's go to the ordering process. Adding my prescription was easy. They have like a bunch of questions which you can actually easily find the answer if you already have your prescription ready. You just fill in the numbers and it allows you to add like some really cool stuff. Like you can add transition lenses if you want. I don't like that because I don't go outside anyway. I did add blue light protection though because I use screens so often and I have to protect my eyes. And let's be real, this day and age, you need blue light protection. I find that having this blue light protection on, it doesn't strain my eyes at the end of the day. Like I don't feel so like tired, like I'm about to pop my eye sockets off. So, and I do usually work late, so just add them. I don't have to convince you. So again, here we are, all set up on my face, and I love it. I am impressed by its comfortability. It's not pinching my head. It's super light. It's lighter than what I have. I don't know why that is. This is my $200 glasses. It feels a bit heavy. Now, maybe it's the materials, but I like light glasses because then I can get to like jump around. I don't feel any pressure on my ears, and I feel like if you wanted to like curl the back, if you want more security, you can just go to any optometrist and they can do that for you. I just don't know if they'll allow it, but they could do it. I just cannot believe that I tried this on virtually and it fits. I can't tell you how many eye stores I have gone to, like personally, and it's so hard to find something that fits on my face because I have a very like round face shape. I didn't even have to look at this in person. I just tried it on my photo and it just looks good. I know I'm kind of like a grandma and this is the only style that I love. I love having this simple, sleek look, but please know that there are so many styles, so many different colors. They even like have these cat eyes that you can also try on. Now let's talk about the price. Now the base of this, I told you, is just less than $30. It will cost you a little bit more if you're going to add those special lenses, but it's still not as expensive as when you're going to the designer eye stores. It's really rare to find prescription glasses online because I find that you really have to check first, but this doesn't feel any different from my $200 purchase. It feels exactly the same. Like, I thought I was gonna adjust to it somehow, but they got it right. They have doctors. They have like real eye doctors doing the good ones. And I do have a discount code for this. Don't forget to check out my description box down below if in case you want these. Like, get this for yourself for Christmas or get it for someone else. Get it for your mom. Honestly, I'm trying to think of something negative about the product. Like what do I not like about it? Can't really say. I feel like it's too early to tell. All I can say is that I had a very large mistrust when I was trying to order online, because who does that? Who orders prescription online? But when I did for Firmoo, I had no complaints. I'm not gonna doubt them again. Anyway, so if you're looking for an affordable prescription glasses, I 100% recommend Firmoo. The whole experience was flawless. I think the delivery time took the longest. Like, I think it took me about 2 weeks to get it, which it was worth the wait, really. And again, if you're interested in this, check out the links in my description box below, and I will see you again next time. Bye! Don't forget to subscribe.